Hello and welcome back to How Logical. In today's short tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you use Afterpay on eBay. So without any further ado, let's start the video. At first, you have to open any of your browser in your desktop and search Afterpay. After searching Afterpay, just open this first option there and it will redirect you to the main tab of Afterpay. Shortly after going to the home page of Afterpay, there is this search option. You just simply have to search eBay in this search bar here and click to this first eBay shop option that pops up. After clicking there, it will redirect you to this eBay site and you can choose any of the items that you want to buy and click to buy now or add to cart. And after going to the cart, there is this option for checkout. And after clicking to the checkout, it will ask for your login. You just simply have to log in and there will be the option for you to pay through Afterpay. I hope this video helped you. If yes, then make sure to like this video and share it with your friends. We will keep making this kind of helpful contents in the future. So if you don't want to miss any of this helpful contents, make sure to subscribe the channel. We'll meet very soon in another video. Till then, be safe and keep loving the tech.